auto Z, we have to define the top and bottom Z level for the geometry. To do that, we should go in 3D bar, select set the geometry Z levels, select the geometry, press escape on the keyboard or right click and set up the top Z level. For example, I want to do top Z level to be 18 mm and the bottom for this geometry to be 0. For the internal one, I want to do top 18 and the bottom Z 10 mm. Let's select first hole and do the bottom 5 mm, this one, the bottom to be 8 mm, the next one 12 mm, this one 4.5, and for this one 9. Select rough finish, auto Z, and select geometry. Pressing escape, we finish the command. That's the way how you can apply auto Z. Just make sure, because auto Z it's not working if you have flat geometry like this one. So if we going to do rough finish using auto Z and selecting this geometry, it's not gonna work. In this case, we have to use vertical, but vertical option is not giving us automation when we have a different Z level, like here. If we need to machine inside, let's do an offset of this geometry 50 mm, and we want to machine this geometry but to be Z10, and using vertical we have to define manually the Z level. Let's do pocketing using auto Z and selecting this geometry. It's not working because the direction should be inside. Let's do it again. Auto Z, 10 mm. Select the geometry. And now the Z, it's automatically taking the bottom Z level. In this situation, if we want to pocket, we need to use vertical and set up final depth, which is 10 mm. Select the geometry. Now let's drill all the holes. Select the tool, 10mm drill bits, select drilling, Alt Z, all selected holes. Okay, select all the holes. And as you can see, all the holes are drilled automatically using Z bottom level. Let's drill all these holes without Auto Z. Now in Z level, we have an option to define manually the bottom of the holes, which is gonna be 10mm, or let's do 1mm. Material top 18mm, save rapid 30, and then rapid 40. Select all these holes. So in this case, all the holes is gonna be drilled 17mm depth. That's the way how you can use AutoZ.